Good day, YouTube watch enthusiasts, and welcome to another unboxing. This package took 6 days to ship from Arizona in the USA to my door in Thailand, so super fast shipping, very happy about that. So as usual, we'll get straight into the unpacking and see what we have. Got the wrist check, Phoebus PY007A, great white in green. Okay. So, large box with a very small box inside. So this is the Gigandet Sea Grounds Vintage G2-007. The 007 is some reference to a Sean Connery James Bond movie, I believe. Gigandet are a micro brand based in Germany, along the same lines as Steinhardt. But a lot cheaper than Steinhardt, and until recently it was quite difficult to get one of these in North America. For some reason they wouldn't ship to Canada or the USA, but now these are readily available on eBay and Amazon, particularly Amazon.de. So paid $194 for this. As I say, very fast shipping, so we'll get into the box and see what it's all about. That's what the box comes in. It's saying established in Switzerland in 1925, apparently. A lot to find out anything about this brand. They seem to be very secretive, but anyway, we'll have a look at the watch and see what it's all about. Go. Looks very nice indeed. Upside down, sorry about that. Don't know how well that's focusing, but that's basically what it looks like in the box. So we'll get the watch out. The bezel is very smooth, quite precise. And lines up perfectly. Very, very little back play on it. That's a very nice bezel. Happy with that. Got the coined edge. Obviously this is based on a Submariner, it's a Submariner homage in a vintage style. So we'll get down to some measurements. Turn it on. And we'll check it out. So the case width is, excuse me, 43mm. Lug to lug. Excuse me. Come on. 50mm lug to lug. Thickness of the case 14.8mm. And the 20mm, sorry, not 22mm for the band size, 22mm. So the clasp is one of these double locking efforts. It has the Gigandet logo on there. Pull this out of the way, and you have the small G logo as well. Not very good quality clasp wise. This is just pressed steel, but as I say, it is a $194 watch. The logo on the back is very nice, with the Trafalgar Nelson style old sailing ship, and it states 300 meters, water resistant, stainless steel, all stainless steel, G2, which is ground C2. You have the signed crown with the little G on it. The hands are Mercedes style hands, a la Submariner. Cyclops glass. Date is very legible, very well done there. And you have the little G counterbalance on the second hand, which is a very nice touch. So the crown's already unscrewed. So you have hand winding at the first position, quite a smooth action. Second position is date adjustment. It's a little bit, I've had smoother than that. It's not too bad, but it's not the best. So that's the date action, and then pull the crown and roll away, and that's very smooth. Movement's Seiko NH35, which is not top of the range, but pretty reliable. So that's my initial thoughts and findings. I'll just mention the bracelet, solid end links. Well, like I say, the clasp is a bit pokey, but I quite like leather straps and NATOs anyway, so the chances are I'll probably take this bracelet off and put one of them on. So I'll wear it for the next few days and check the performance of the movement, and I'll come back with a follow-up video. Thanks for watching. If you found the video useful or enjoyable or helpful, please like and subscribe. Leave your comments down below. So there you have it, unboxing and initial thoughts, Gigandet Sea Ground G2-007. Bye for now.